A VW pickup. How many of those left? Here, I dig into this for a little bit today. Have zero compression. I guess the valves are stuck. It's been sitting for what, 5 years? Typical. And of course, you know, these bolts are like all stuck, so. You can record. I don't give a damn about firmware. Fuck firmware. Fucking now it's nagging me for firmware. No, I don't want firmware. This thing's been on the internet once because they brick you out of it unless you freaking join their website and register a fucking camera. Don't buy one of these DJI things. It will brick you out of it until you log onto their website so it can spy on you. BS. But yeah, this is one of them. You get like 1/8 of a turn. This damn well better be a fucking valve cover gasket and not just some water jacket bullshit. PB Blaster, this is the shit, man. But yeah, this is yeah, a stupid camera. But yeah, back and forth, get it broke loose. Be just spinning stuff off or you're gonna snap it. Ew, that's not looking very good there. No good. Seems to be moving freely once again. Figure out how to clean this sucker out. I don't know why there's so much freaking liquid in here. That's weird. Huh. Did I sink it? You know what? Oh, that's right. Fucking sank this fucking motor. I forgot. I was supposed to clean it out. It's my damn fault. That's what happened. I forgot. Last time I was out, I fucking went overboard or well capsized and got busy with other things. Yeah, I dissolve it. I don't know what this stuff is. It's ancient and it's kind of separated, but yeah, it dissolves it. It's pretty good stuff. Works 100% of the time, guaranteed. Eco-friendly. Environmentally friendly. The most powerful solvent allowed by law. Interesting. Yeah, it actually works pretty good though. I was impressed. Just something I had laying around. I don't know when I bought this crap. Probably 10 years ago. Well, George, what is it? You know, you're probably like one of the only crows in town. I mean, you're a rare breed around here. That's what all the girls say. Yep. Hey. We're underway. bubbles. Very interesting, eh? Yeah, this guy's got like a floating junkyard. Hey, I didn't know Apple made motors. What the hell is this? Oh, that's that cherry bomb muffler. Ah, DVD.